My name is Rico Yuma Oaban. I am 17 years old. I go to Laguilan National High School as an ICT student. Gusto ko po i-share ang kapayapaan sa peace sa aming barangay dahil sa pamumuno ng aming barangay, they treat everyone with respect at hindi nila tinitignan ang isang etniko na mas mataas or race na mas mataas kaysa sa others. So, equal po sila lahat. So, bilang student leader, I have the power and I use that power to create programs, peace programs to build unity to one another. At saka, most importantly, I treat everyone with respect.